Hi everyone, I'm just going to go over very quickly how to import and export a rubric for a Turnitin assignment. So here I'm in my test course and I had a Turnitin assignment already set up. So I'm going to click on this assignment. You can see I have students in the assignment, but I don't have any students with submissions. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to attach this rubric just yet, but I can certainly go in and pull in a rubric or export a rubric. So we need to go to do that. I need to go into my Launch the Turnitin Rubric Manager that's found here. That's that stack of blocks that I call my Lego blocks or my building blocks for my Turnitin assignments. You'll notice here, if I click on this drop-down menu, I have several different rubrics here from a whole bunch of different assignments, right? But I'm going to stay with, I'll see this Contributions rubric, it's only one that I've copied over one time. So you can see now that I can see my entire contributions rubric. And right here at the very top right, I see this arrow. You don't want to click on the X. The X will close your rubric. But right here is an arrow. And if I hover over that, you can say View, Import, or Export Options. So I'm going to click on that. And of course, I want to export this, right? I don't want to import it again to my own test, right? Into my own rubric manager. I want to export it to someone else. So I'm going to click on Export. And when I export it, you'll notice down here in the corner, I have my rubric, my RBC, .rbc file that's been downloaded onto my computer. So then I want to go over into my emails, right? So I'm going to now email this rubric to myself because I'm doing this demo. So I'm going to pick me, and I'm going to go test, and I'm going to grab this rubric for download for me. Now, to download this rubric, I want to pull it out of my download file. I don't want this rubric to be opened at all, right? So I'm going to attach the rubric. I'm going to attach it from my computer, and I'm going to attach it from my downloads. You can see this is the first download that I'm going to see when I go into my download folder. See, I've selected downloads here, right? My downloads. And I'm going to click on this contributions rubric. And then I'm going to click on open. And that's going to attach it to my email pretty quickly. As you can see, it came over. Now, when I send this rubric for someone else to import, right, I don't want them to open it. So in my email, I'm going to write, please do not open, simply attach, or simply upload this attachment. Okay? Oop. Wish I could spell anyway. And then I'm going to send it. Okay, and that's important when you're sending those directions, right? Because you don't want the receiver to inadvertently open this attachment. If they open it and try to save it to their computer, it's not going to open. It doesn't open well. So a .rbc file, you need a special software to open. And if you try to open it, and even in the special software, Karen Goldschmidt and I have found that it comes out looking like word salad, and you really don't understand what's going on. So what we want to do then is we want to download this. We want to download this, but we don't want to open it. Okay, so we're just going to click download, right? And we're just going to click save file. And that's going to be in our downloads, right? Right here in this little arrow. It saves in our downloads. So now we're going to go back. Okay, we're going to go back to our rubric manager, right? So when you would go into your rubric manager, if you're going to import this rubric, you would, again, go to this Turnitin Rubric Manager. Remember the little Lego building blocks, the way you're going to build your Turnitin assignments. For your part, when you're importing that rubric, you're going to go here to View, Import, Export Options, and you are going to now import this rubric. Okay? Now, you're going to be able to import this rubric by simply dragging the rubric into this square right here, into this blank square where it says please load here, right? Select here. So I'm going to take this downloaded rubric file, okay, and I'm going to pull it over into my rubric manager, right? So you see I'm just clicking on it and I'm dragging it, and that's just going to simply allow me to put this rubric into this square space right here. And you just have to click it, move it, and drop it, right? It's the drag and drop. There you go. You see here, very quickly, I get a lovely green check mark that says my import is complete. And now I can view this rubric. As you can see, the rubric is attached now, right? It's attached into my rubric manager. It's not attached to the specific assignment because remember, you have to wait until one student submits their assignment and then you can attach the rubric directly to that assignment. That's a change in Turnitin that came with the update. But this is how you would export if you own the rubric or import if you're using a shared rubric within a course. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at dck28@drexel.edu. Thank you. Have a great day.